The Ghana Grid Company Limited, Gridco, state-owned electricity transmission company in Ghana. We are the backbone to power delivery in the country. Gridco owns the national power grid and is responsible for its development, operation, and maintenance. This includes transmission of electricity from power generating companies in the country to our customers. Some of the major generating companies include the Volta River Authority, Bui Power Authority, Sunun Asogli Power Plant, Senate, and the Takrady International Company, TICO. Our major customers include the National Distribution Companies, the Electricity Company of Ghana, ECG, the Northern Electricity Distribution Company, NETCO, and mining, textiles, and aluminum smelting companies. In addition to the national transmission services in Ghana, Gridco's network is interconnected with that of the neighboring country of La Côte d'Ivoire, enabling power exchange transactions between the two countries as and when required. Gridco also serves some of the power requirements of other neighboring countries such as Burkina Faso, Togo, and Benin. With current national demand of about 2,000 megawatts and Gridco's installed transformer capacity of 2,800 megawatts, we play a critical role in the power system of Ghana and the socio-economic development of the country. In addition, we are centrally positioned within the sub-region and therefore play a key role in the ongoing power pool development of the region. Our strategy is to construct a robust transmission network that will ensure reliable power supply within Ghana and the sub-region. We are therefore continuously investing resources into the planning and development of new transmission line and substation projects, as well as the upgrading and rehabilitation of existing lines and substations within the country. Currently, our transmission line network comprises a total of about 4,300 circuit kilometers of lines operating at voltage levels of 69 kV, 161 kV, 225 kV, and 330 kV. There is a relatively high concentration of transmission lines in the southern parts of the country, where the electrical load requirements are comparatively high. This is because the south is the main industrial zone of the country with a lot of economic activities. There are ongoing projects to continually improve the already high availability and reliability of our entire network. A very significant ongoing project under the West Africa Power Pool mandate is the construction of a 330 kV line along the coastal corridor from the western region through Tema and continuing to Togo and Benin and eventually ending in Nigeria. Similarly, another 330 kV line is under construction from Abuadzi in the western region through Kumasi, Tamale, and ending at Bolgatanga. From Bolgatanga, it will continue at a voltage level of 225 kV to Burkina Faso and eventually to Mali. Segments of this project have reached various levels of completion. This is where transmission ends. Substations enable us to manage the operation and maintenance of our transmission network to ensure a reliable power supply to our bulk customers. We currently have 55 major substations and are constantly building new ones. These are manned 24/7 throughout the year, and our well-trained operating and maintenance staff adopt best practices in their work. This is our System Control Center, a state-of-the-art facility that enables us to operate highly efficiently. Here, large LCDs display the amount and quality of power coming from the different generators into the system. This facility gives us supervisory control and a data acquisition system that enables Gridco to perform economic dispatch of power for the generating units. We at Gridco are enthusiastic about building a robust transmission network comparable to the best networks in the world. We are building a robust electrical grid system with near zero deficiency, constructing new substations and renovating existing ones to ensure that they are of high standard, have modern equipment and a safe working environment for staff. We have electricity penetration rates of up to 75% within Ghana and want to ensure that every regional capital has adequate electricity supplies. Through public-private partnerships, investors are bringing in much-needed capital. We are proud of our role at facilitating a network of power interdependence. We are confident that through our joint efforts, Ghana will be the economic hub that will spearhead development across the sub-region and truly be the gateway to West Africa.